Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use Qwen AI, also known as Alibaba Qwen AI. So it's very simple. All you have to do is open a browser and then just simply search for Qwen AI. Now you will see this first option, which is Qwen Chat. As you can see, open it. Then the first thing that you have to do is you have to create your account. So click on sign up. You can use the options right over here, enter your name, email address, password, and all of that. Or you can just simply use your Google account to sign up. So click on Google account. Then your account should automatically be signed in, as you can see right over here. So click on continue and then you're all good to go. Then it will confirm your email address. So click on confirm. Then slide this to verify your account. And now you're logged in, as you can see right over here. So from the first look of the interface, you can exactly say that it looks similar to ChatGPT, but there is a lot of things that is going on. So firstly, if we minimize this menu right over here and look into this small drop-down menu, you will see there are multiple models that you can find in Qwen. And currently we are running the Qwen 2.5 Max model, which is the most powerful language model in Qwen series so far. And it also claims to be better than ChatGPT and DeepSeek R1 and V3. Now, just from the looks of it, it has multiple features that are not available in majority of the AI models. For example, you will have video generation and image generation. Video generation is currently coming soon, but when the AI actually launched, this was also available and you can actually generate videos. And you can also see image generation section. So if you click on this, you'll be able to see what type of image you can expect. So you can also see the prompts, like for example, let's go with the cat one. Let's use this exact prompt. As you can see, a golden cat. Now, as you can see, this is how the image is being generated in real time. You can even change the aspect ratio and all of that right over here. So now, as you can see right over here, the image, it's not the best image, but it is actually not bad. And also change the aspect ratio over here. Let's say, for example, a golden cat. You can retype it again. And this time hit enter. And this time it will give you a different aspect ratio. Now, in order to get better images, all you have to do is you have to give extra details like lightings, camera, lenses, shutter speed, and all the important details. The more detail you will give the AI, the better the result it will provide you. Now, as you can see, that is how it will work. Now, if you want to get out of image generation, all you have to do is just simply create a new chat. Click on new chat, and you will be out of the image generation section. Now, let's do a random chat. Let's say hi. And if you simply tap that and hit enter, Qwen AI will start giving you the answer, as you can see right over here. Now there is also another option called artifacts, as you can see right over here. Now I will show you what this feature is used for. Let's say for example, I want to create a login screen in HTML or CSS. Just simply type that and make sure to enable this option as well. As you can see, this is what I typed. Now just simply hit enter and wait for the output. So currently it's giving the HTML output. So just let me wait till it finishes. Now as you can see, it has completed the output. Now, once it is all done, click on the artifact option right over here and wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, this will show you the exact output of the code that it has created right over here. So you can over here directly check with the artifact option that the code that you just got is actually functionable or not and how it actually looks and functions, as you can see right over here. So this is what the artifact function is used for. Now if you move on to the side menu right over here, you can see you will have the history section, you will have the new chat section, you will have your profile right over here and some profile settings over here. In the settings panel, you find multiple options. For example, if you go to the interface section, you can see there are a lot of things that you can enable and disable right over here. You can read them if you want to. You will be able to see that multiple type of models available and all the details regarding that model. For example, currently we are running 2.5 Max. You can see down over here, you can see the details regarding the model right over here. You can even import or export chats or even archive or delete chats if you want to. And if you want to ever delete your account, you can also have this option right over here. And to know more about Qwen, you will have the about section over here. If you want to read, you can go ahead and check this out as well. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.